So there's a daily setup here in IOST, okay? Here's our daily setup in IOST. We're breaking through this trend line resistance. As you know, we've made 2 waves lower like this. I'm looking for this to turn higher. Why IOST is a really good buy is because it's turning up and making an inverted head and shoulders pattern. And when we break these prior highs, which this fib level says we should do, then that we can measure the move from this double bottom head to the neckline and project a target, which takes us to the 618 retracement if we make a full measured move. Now, there's a bit of to do about how to measure this. When I look at this on a daily chart, and I've got regular candles here, you can see that it doesn't tell me where this hourly high is here. And when I look at those daily candle highs, I've drawn it from here, and the fibs don't quite line up. But when I go back to the daily and I do it like this, and I take this daily high, let me unlock it. The fibs line up perfectly, and not only that, but the 236 fib test here, where we tested it, got above and sideways. If you look under the hood, we've tested this perfectly. So I think that this is a more reliable fib target. So I'm going to say 861 is the upside target on the first move here in IOStoken. So no, I didn't send this out. I was going to talk about it tonight, and I'm sorry. We've just had a 4-hour close above this line. So now, if you're shorter term frame buying this and not buying it on a daily trade, then this pullback to this trend line support tonight should find you a buy entry somewhere around 460 in IOStoken. My advice would be to buy a small position here ahead of this pink line, and then when we get to the pink line and we get above it, you've got a bit of a cushion and a run at it, and if we get above it, you can buy a little bit more. So IOStoken is setting up, I think, pretty nicely for this one. Okay, so the next one that we're going to look at